everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Stephen Draws. Today I decided I would take an old mirror that was in the house. This is the mirror. It has like a nice gold frame. It was kind of just taking up space though, and I thought it would look really cool if I did something with it. Now, I actually had a video before this originally, and I made it look like it was cracked glass, but then I realized it didn't really look that good. So I scrapped the video, cleaned off the whole mirror, got all the paint off, and I painted half of the mirror white, and now it looks way better. One hour in, and I think it's coming along pretty good. I'm gonna do some more work on, his snout, I think that's what it's called, and just more details in the fur itself, but yeah. Alright, I'm gonna wait for this to dry. Try not to paint on myself as much next time, and yeah.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
so much for watching my video. This is the final product. I'm pretty happy with it, to be completely honest. And quick side note, I'm thinking about changing my profile picture for YouTube. Here's a picture. And you guys can let me know in the comments whether you think I should change it or keep it the same. Thank you guys so much for watching, and till next time, bye.